Hi George, it's really great to grab a quick 5 minutes, so thank you for that.
No worries.
So what I wanted to talk to you about was the Rising Stars Training Academy, which you're very much involved with setting up. So one of the questions I wanted to ask you is, how important do you think it is for a new consultant to get off to a good start when they join a recruitment company?
I think it's really important. I mean, especially for this, it's the first 4 weeks within your career if you've never worked within recruitment before, and I think it's a nice way to kind of not ease yourself in, but to kind of get into the role. From personal experience, obviously when I joined Orion, I did very much have training, but I was out on desk doing it within my team, so to kind of be sat with like-minded people or people who maybe don't have any sort of experience before, or people who have a little bit of sales experience, I think it's really important to kind of come on board, get the right sort of training, just because you know in your sort of mind that, right, okay, I've had the right sort of experience.
For when you go out onto the sales floor.
When I go out on the sales floor, and kind of be with a dedicated trainer, not just day in, day out, but to know if I do have any sort of struggles or any sort of questions.
It's going to make you feel comfortable.
Yeah, it's going to make you feel comfortable, yeah.
All right, so you mentioned that the training academy is going to last for 4 weeks.
Yeah.
So I should imagine it's going to be a really busy time. Tell me a couple of things that you think that people are going to be doing during that time. How is it going to feel to them?
I mean, what they're not going to be doing.
Okay.
I think we're going to basically train everyone on everything they need to know from not only the recruitment side of things, but obviously Orion and manufacturing. So the sort of things people can expect is, I guess the first initial thing is, what does a good candidate look like? So how do I find these people? So Boolean searches, what sort of keywords do I need to use? All the way through to, right, okay, you found a candidate, how am I going to speak to them? What sort of questions do I need to ask? All the way through to the client side of things. So how to speak to our clients, what is a good sales pitch? How do I sell?
Sounds busy.
So it's going to be very busy, very full on, but I think really exciting because they're going to get all the training and everything that they need.
Okay, thanks so George. So one of the things that you said as well, it's a little bit different from the training that you had.
Yeah.
So if you can sort of wind back a little bit, talk to me about that and how you think this is going to be better, how it's been improved.
Yeah, so when I joined then, it was all very much classroom based. So remember my first day, we was in the classroom, went through thorough induction, which is really good because you get to, I guess, know more of the admin-y side of things. Whereas this is going to be really good because, like I said, you're going to be out on the desk, I guess in the hot seat doing it itself, rather than just sat in a classroom, which is obviously great. There is still going to be elements of classroom work, but I think kind of going out there and basically just getting on with it.
And being a consultant.
And being a consultant from day one is going to be massive. Yeah.
All right. Last question.
Yeah.
What types of people do you want to apply after they've seen this clip? What are you looking for?
So the sort of people that we look for and what I tend to say to candidates is really people who are motivated, who have got that kind of passion and drive, you're hungry, and really people who can be confident and resilient. I mean, if you've got any sort of sales experience or previous recruitment experience, you know, obviously we're going to look for that. But really I think it's mainly about attitude and people who kind of have the right sort of, you know, motivation and drive to succeed is what we are really looking for.
Great. Thank you so much for that,
No
George.
worries,
Really appreciate it.